Welcome to the Marathon Server Slam. Get ready to dive into the action by launching the game from your library. Let's explore the steps to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Before we start, it's crucial to ensure your privacy and security settings are optimized. This will help protect your device and enhance your gaming experience. To prevent any interruptions, make sure to allow the game executable file in your antivirus program. This step is essential for seamless gameplay. Next, add Marathon to your list of trusted applications. This will ensure the game runs smoothly without any security blocks. Double-check your antivirus exclusions to include the game X file. This will prevent any unnecessary disruptions during your gaming session. Keeping your Windows updated is key. Make sure your system is running the latest version to avoid compatibility issues with the game. Consider upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for enhanced performance and features that can improve your gaming experience. A stable internet connection is vital. Disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi to ensure you're ready for uninterrupted gameplay. If you're facing connectivity issues, try performing a power cycle. This involves shutting down your computer and router, then restarting them to refresh the connection. For improved internet speed and reliability, switch to Google DNS servers. This simple change can make a big difference in your gaming experience. Navigate to your network settings and make necessary adjustments. This will help optimize your connection for better gameplay. With all settings adjusted, it's time to launch the Marathon Server Slam game again. Enjoy the enhanced performance and dive into the action. Set up Google DNS settings to ensure faster and more reliable internet connectivity. This step is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once you're done playing, uncheck IPv6 in your network settings. This can help resolve any lingering connectivity issues. Running the game as an administrator can prevent permission-related issues and ensure smooth operation. If you're experiencing network issues, execute these commands to troubleshoot and reset your connection settings. Open the command prompt and run the necessary commands to reset your network settings. This can resolve many common connectivity problems. Resetting your network interfaces can stabilize your connection and improve overall performance. For the most stable connection, switch to an Ethernet cable. This will provide a more reliable and faster internet connection for gaming.